do the dashboard warning indicator lights on the 2024 Ford Edge mean? These lights signal vital information about your vehicle's performance, from routine notifications to urgent system alerts, ensuring your driving safety. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Battery. Anti-lock brake system. Brake system. Blind spot monitor. Electric park brake. Door ajar. Engine coolant temperature. Oil pressure. Malfunction indicator lamp. Fasten seatbelt. Lift gate ajar. Hood ajar. Lane keeping aid. Low washer fluid level. Low fuel level. Powertrain fault. Low tire pressure warning. Stability and traction control. Hill start assist. Adaptive cruise control. Auto start or stop. Automatic headlamp high beam. Turn signal lamps. Cruise control. Front airbag. Front fog lamps. Side marker lamps. High beam.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.